Yeah, I'm not as tall as him. First off, I'm not the one that should be here tonight. It should be my wife. She's the lady that commenced this journey that we as a family are now on. It started last year. Like lots of you, we were sitting at home watching TV on a Sunday night. Channel 7 ran a program about a police officer in the eastern states that became a victim of post-traumatic stress. And it displayed the effect on his family and ultimately cost him his life. My wife and I thought about that for a couple of weeks, and working in the emergency services, we recognise that we've got a number of our own colleagues that were suffering, hurting, and their families were doing the same. And we tried to put something together that might help them. Unfortunately, we got beaten to it. There was another 2 paramedics from Western Australia that committed suicide. That brought the total for the last 15 months to 6 ambulance personnel, and that includes volunteers. All the emergency services have a formal network in place that captures most people. But unfortunately, some people slip through the gaps. So Lynn and I have started a charity called Sirens to try and catch those people that fall through. Simon, thanks mate for giving us the opportunity to fund our project and provide a base and support for those people in all emergency services that fall through the cracks. Western Australia has, in my opinion, the best trained emergency services personnel in Australia. We're all, I believe, good at our jobs and passionate about our jobs, but we are now becoming to understand that there's an epidemic amongst us that's been there for generations. The difference is nowadays we talk about it and we now understand the problem that we all face more so now than we ever have before, because society's changed, and that's a good thing. And that's providing us with the opportunity to actually understand the issues, understand the problems, and now we can apply some fixes to it so we can catch those people and stop them falling through the cracks. That's next year's Gibb. It's going to be fun. It's going to be our 10th anniversary, and it's just going to be awesome. So I hope you can come and join us, and we want to raise a heap of money to help these people that spend their lives helping us. And we want to make sure that they all make it and their families make it to the end of their journeys. Thank you.
Wow, powerful message. That's the direction of the Gibb Challenge in 2016. I'd like you to join us. If you've got your diaries out, if you could mark the 15th of May through to the 19th of May, that'll mark the 10th anniversary of the Gibb Challenge. We've got a wonderful cause. We've had some wonderful principal beneficiaries in the past. This one's near to our hearts. It's raw to the volunteer group. It's important to Western Australia, and I think it's going to be a wonderful initiative for the Gibb Challenge to be able to get in at the grassroots, and I hope you can join us in 2016. Thank you, Gibbsters.